Hey guys. So, hey guys, I'm Sakshi Chuk this side. I am a master numerologist and a Vastu expert. I am here today to talk about crystals and numerology. So you will be pouring in your questions and I'll be suggesting you some crystals which will suit you. Hey Astha. Alright. So let us start. I can see some disturbance in my video. I am sorry for that again. Hey Harbina, how are you? So okay, let me start. Hello everyone. Right. So today we'll be discussing about crystals and how you can utilize the power of crystals for your day-to-day issues in your life. So हम crystals को generally बहुत underestimate कर जाते हैं because we don't know the power of the crystals. So let me just take you towards the journey about the crystals and how they can actually be used and how and which crystal actually can help you overcome हमारे day-to-day issue. And on this note, I would like to remind you that whoever will be commenting on today's session will get a session with me of personal guidance with me on a 50% off. We can avail this offer in 500 rupees for a half an hour discussion in which I'll be suggesting you which crystal you can actually utilize as per your numeroscope. Right? So let me start. So let me start about the crystals. What are crystals and how you can actually choose a crystal for yourself is generally one question which I get. In the meantime, you guys can actually pour in your questions and I'll be suggesting you crystal also, right? So okay, so what are crystals? Crystals are formed beneath our earth. So it is said that crystals carry vibrations. ये हमारे अर्थ में जो प्रेशर्स होते हैं उससे ग्रो करती हैं एंड दे फॉर्म इनसाइड आवर अर्थ एंड वी कैन एक्चुअली यूटिलाइज दिस प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ क्रिस्टल टू लर्न अ लॉट. Yes, Biba, it is a bow offer. Yes, Harvina. So do avail it. ओके. सो जो क्रिस्टल्स हमारे फॉर्म करते हैं अर्थ के अंदर फॉर्म करते हैं आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. सो जब हम उसको हार्नेस करते हैं तो उसके अंदर वो अर्थ की वही प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं जो हम यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं फॉर हीलिंग पर्पसेस. ठीक है. नाउ वन थिंग दैट वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम क्रिस्टल इज हैविंग पेशेंस, हैविंग इवॉल्व करने का नेचर. बिकॉज क्रिस्टल या सेमी प्रेशियस स्टोन्स जो होते हैं ये इवॉल्व करते हैं विद टाइम एंड दे ट्रांसफॉर्म एंड दे कैरी दोज एनर्जीज विद देम एंड then when we use those energies, when we start using a crystal, we start having those energies also inside us, right? So this is how you can actually utilize why you should take use of crystals. Now when I talk about crystals and gemstones, मेरे पास generally लोग पूछते हैं कि आप gemstones भी suggest करते हो या नहीं करते हो. Guys, honestly gemstones, yes, beautification purpose के लिए they are very good, they look good. Crystals भी टक्कर देते हैं उस चीज़ को. But when I talk about the healing वाला portion, crystals are more effective in terms कि they are gentle on you, they are soft, उनकी energies are soft on you. On the other hand, gemstones का हमारे ऊपर astrological impact होता है, right? सो कई बार वो चीज़ें बैकफायर कर देती हैं. यस, हम क्रिस्टल्स को हाउएवर ऑन द अदर हैंड वी कैन एक्चुअली गिव देम एन इंटेंट to work for for our benefit. So that is why I prefer, in numerology I prefer crystals only. So guys, please pour in your questions if you want any particular suggestions. Yes, so I'll just give one example for जिससे कि आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया लग जाएगा कि किस तरीके की प्रॉब्लम का आप क्रिस्टल आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई टेक अ वेरी गुड दिस थिंग जो मैं खुद भी यूज़ करती हूँ. दिस इज़ वन क्रिस्टल रुद्राक्ष का ब्रेसलेट विच आई प्रेफर दैट एवरीबडी शुड हैव. रीजन बीइंग दिस इज़ वन स्टोन. क्रिस्टल रुद्राक्ष के अंदर हमारे रुद्राक्ष तो आता ही आता है, इसके साथ साथ में क्रिस्टल यानी कि क्लियर क्वार्ट्ज भी होता है. सो क्लियर क्वार्ट्ज अपने आप में बहुत ही एक तरीके का मास्टर हीलर उसे हम बोलते हैं क्रिस्टल के वर्ल्ड में. उसके लिए क्या होता है, जो क्लियर क्वार्ट्ज है इट इज़ ऑल्सो एन एम्पलीफायर. इट नॉट ओनली प्योरीफाइज यू, इट ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ एम्पलीफाइज जो आपका थॉट प्रोसेस होता है उसे. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इट कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ गुड मैनिफेस्टिंग टूल. ठीक है, जब आप उसके अंदर इंटेंट डालते हो इट विल हेल्प यू मैनिफेस्ट दैट. इंटेंट डालना कैसे होता है वो आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इन लेटर सेक्शन. यस, so we now have questions from Vibha Suri. Vibha Suri, sorry Vibha, we are not taking predictive questions, but if you're looking for business growth, I would like to suggest there are few crystals that you can use for growth in your business. For example, you can use green aventurine. It is a good abundance stone. We have this cabochon available with us. ये manifest करता है abundance को. So you can try and use that. How to use these crystals is very easy. You can carry them along with you. या तो आप अपने वर्क स्टेशन पे भी रख सकते हो या अपने पॉकेट में कैरी कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन एक्चुअली यूटिलाइज दीज क्रिस्टल्स. ऑल्सो दीज आर अवेलेबल इन ब्रेसलेट फॉर्म्स. सो कुछ फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज नॉट ग्रीन एवेंचुरिन दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अबंडेंस. दिस इज अनदर क्रिस्टल बट ब्रेसलेट फॉर्म्स में ये अवेलेबल होते हैं. यू कैन यूटिलाइज दिस स्टोन फॉर योर सेल्फ. इसके अलावा वी डू हैव सर्टन कॉम्बिनेशंस व्हिच कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प यू इन फाइनेंशियल ग्रोथ लाइक दिस. So it is a combination of 3 other different stones. So again you have to be a little specific and then we'll design according to you. So now we have another one. Harbina is asking what will you suggest to control anxiety and anger. Very good. ये आज के टाइम पे is a very very essential stone that we need to utilize it. इसके लिए आप क्या यूज़ कर सकते हो. देर इज़ अ मून स्टोन, हम वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ अ वेरी कामिंग स्टोन जो हमारे को एनजाइटी से रिलीफ देता है. ठीक है, सो यस, एक बार इट इज़ बेटर दैट वी हैव अ 1-to-1 सेशन इन दिस. बट जनरल टर्म्स में अगर मैं बात करूँ तो मून स्टोन इज़ वन स्टोन विच कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प टू काम यू, रिलैक्स you, and it can also support you in anxiety. We have another one which can help in anxiety and anger controlment, which is Amazonite. This again is a very beautiful crystal. I can show you. One second. So Amazonite कुछ इस तरीके का होता है. So this it is a multicolored light stone होता है. You can use that also, Harbina, for yourself. Then hi Malti, how are you? I am scrolling through your questions. Just a second, please. Okay, Neha Sharma is asking for health and finance. Health issues, Neha, health issues से specific कोई अगर है तो उसके according suggestions होती हैं. Finance, again I am telling you, finance के लिए we have this financial growth का bracelet. इसके अंदर we have a combination of turquoise. Yes, it can help you. Hematite is also one stone which can help you in financial abundance. Then again, as I told, green aventurine ka this cabochon, you can connect with me for this. Otherwise, if you want, just Google green aventurine also, you'll get bracelet के forms में. You can utilize those for your financial growth and abundance. Don't get sleep too. Okay, for sleeping, I will suggest you selenite. Selenite इस तरीके का stone होता है. It is a very very shiny silvery type of a stone. इसका again you can get in bracelet form and और raw form, जैसे ये मेरे पास bar form में है. How what you can do is either you wear it or while sleeping you can use this stone under your pillow and you will have good sleep. Trust me on this. This is one of the best stones. Selenite की बहुत amazing properties होती है. Not only sleep, it induces positivity. It gives clarity in mind also. So you can try, Neha. Shreya is asking, what about compatibility of birth number 5 and 12? Shreya, I'm not doing a prediction wala session today. We are just suggesting you crystal according to your problem statement. So do jade rollers work? Yes, Shreya, jade rollers are majorly used for beautification purposes. They are very effective. It works on your skin, and I personally suggest. I recently bought some, uh, uh, you know, beauty massagers of rose and green aventurine. So yes, they are very effective. They provide the essential minerals for your skin. They help. Every stone helps in their personal way to enhance your beauty. So yes, you can try those also. So we have Vinisha asking, a crystal for activation of spirituality or maybe enhancing spirituality. Yes, we have a crystal which is amethyst. Amethyst is one such crystal which will help you enhance your spiritualism. Besides amethyst, we have labradorite also, which can help you in spiritual growth. So whichever you are looking forward for, just have a consultation. वैसे clear quartz and amethyst are one of the best if you are wanting to go for spiritual growth. So do try them. Again, bracelet forms, yes, definitely they are available. What you can do is, हम crystals को कैसे intent pass करते हैं वो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. You have to hold your bracelet in your hand. मेडिटेट करोगे आप इसके साथ में. यू विल प्रे टू इट कि you basically have to be friend with your crystal. They are like your companions because they will be enhancing you, they'll be helping you, they'll be guiding you. So you will be, जैसे हम फ्रेंड्स को पैम्पर करते हैं या फ्रेंड्स के साथ हम उनको बोलते हैं यार तू मेरा ये काम कर दे, सिमिलरली हमें क्रिस्टल्स को भी बोलते हैं. So what you will be doing is, आप अपने क्रिस्टल को रखोगे हाथ में and you will pray to it कि यार please help me with my spiritual growth and it will start working for you. See, जैसे कि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में सेशन के एक्सप्लेन किया है कि crystals have the power to store energies, they have their own memories also. So if you give them the intent, they will start working for you. आप जब नॉर्मली बैठे हुए होते हो, आप कुछ भी सोचते हो कि यार मेरा ये वाला काम हो जाए, वो हवा में होता है सारा कुछ. बट वेन यू अगेन सिट विद दिस क्रिस्टल, जब आपने उसे इंटेंट दिया हुआ होता है कि तू मेरे लिए इस तरीके से वर्क कर, and when you again hold the crystal in your hand, it will start working for you. So that is why it is said that we should be meditating with the crystal, we should be wearing the crystal as often as we can. Also, we prepare elixirs. Elixirs are nothing hypothetical या वैसे वाला. It is crystal water. ठीक है, बट अगेन उसके लिए कुछ स्पेसिफिक क्रिस्टल्स होते हैं. वी डोंट यूज ईच एंड एवरी क्रिस्टल. देर आर क्रिस्टल्स जो कैन एक्चुअली बी गुड विद वाटर एलिमेंट. वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई सजेस्टेड सेलेनाइट फॉर गुड स्लीप. सेलेनाइट का एलेक्सर नहीं बन सकता है बिकॉज सेलेनाइट गेट्स डिजॉल्व्ड इन वाटर. सिमिलरली फेरस वाले जो हमारे क्रिस्टल्स होते हैं, वी कैन नॉट यूज दोज फॉर एलेक्सर्स. So it is essential to identify which crystal can be used, right? So again, amethyst is good for spiritual growth. You can try that. Vanisha, I hope this clears your doubt. Yes, Astha is already using crystal Rudraksh, and I have personally, I am using it also. इसके अंदर ना ही it helps enhancing clarity, it helps calming you down, it gives you relaxation in your anxiety levels. Once you're relaxed, once your anxiety is in control, guys, you can do anything and everything. I have a personal experience with a few professionals, a graphic designer, a housewife who was going through depression, and just one bracelet, crystal Rudraksh, worked wonders for them. So yes, you can. I personally suggest females के लिए तो especially that we should all have a crystal Rudraksh वाला bracelet at least with us. Hi Shreya, Shreya has joined us. Shalini ji has joined us. Yes. Shreya is asking any crystal for inner peace and happiness. There are many. Honestly, there are many. Okay, let me start with them. Inner peace के लिए crystal Rudraksh is सबसे best, right? Then it majorly depends upon how you actually utilize those crystals. Then we have these selenite bars. Selenite bars again are very good crystals. They are general cleansers. They are good ones for inner peace. Again, amethyst is very good. It provides inner peace. Also, it helps us to, when you are sitting in meditation and उस time पे अगर आप you work with amethyst, it gives a very good connect with higher self. एमेथिस्ट का मेरे रिसेंटली जैसे मैंने नॉट द रॉ फॉर्म्स जो होते हैं द क्लस्टर फॉर्म्स द रॉ फॉर्म्स दीज आर सुपर्ब दीज आर लाइक सुपर्ब एनर्जी वाइब्रेटर्स जो रॉ फॉर्म होते हैं दे वर्क एज like gems. They are just like power boosters, so you can go for that if you want, if you are looking for inner peace or if you are looking for happiness. उसके अलावा if you are suffering from emotional stress, right, if you are suffering from emotional stress and that is related to relationship also, I would personally suggest you to go for rose quartz. Now let me show you rose quartz also. रोज क्वार्ट्ज का इट इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पिंक स्टोन अवेलेबल. ठीक है, सो दिस इज लाइक दिस. इसमें ज़्यादा वाइटिश दिख रहा है बट एनी हाउ रोज क्वार्ट्ज इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पिंक स्टोन. बेबी पिंक स्टोन होता है एंड दैट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी लाइक मटीरियलिज्म भी देता है बट एट द सेम टाइम इट हेल्प्स यू टू ब्रिंग आउट दोज क्लियर दोज इमोशनल ब्लॉकेजेस इन योर रिलेशनशिप. So once your relationships are also sorted, you will feel inner peace and self-content also. ठीक है, so this is about your inner peace वाला crystal Shreya. I hope I have cleared it. Mental stress. Shalini ji is asking for mental stress. Mental stress में Shalini ji, my personal suggestion for any sort of stress or anxiety is clear quartz. उसके अलावा we have a few combinations also which helps us in relieving anxiety and stress. Again, this combination is like you can use amazonite. Then we have smoky quartz also. ठीक है, so you can use these stones for mental stress, relieving mental stress. So would like to know my professional growth right now. Okay, Dr. Aarti, I'm not taking predictions और guidances. आज मैं आपको guidance दे रही हूँ as per your like your questions and my crystals. So आपकी queries हैं, मेरे पास crystals है उसके लिए. So I'm doing that today. Crystal कौन सा आपके लिए suit करेगा आपके particular problem के लिए. So I have a crystal for professional growth as well. It is a combination basically. Besides that, if you are looking for professional growth or any growth in professional terms, abundance के terms में, you can go for green jade also. It is booster professionalism के लिए, enhancer है एक तरीके का. So you can try that, doctor. Okay, so Kavita is asking, I'm using black tourmaline turquoise. Sakshi guided me, and it has been almost a month, and I'm feeling more effective. Oh wow! So we have another review feedback wala. So I'm happy. Thank you, Kavita. Shalini ji, I just gave mental stress ke liye crystal. You can listen to it. Hey Shreya, thanks. Yes, amethyst. Diva, amethyst is one wondrous stone if you're looking for not only spiritual growth, inner peace, ke liye bhi it is a very good connect. And amethyst is one such stone which just connects you to the higher self. So I just love that. Okay, I have some angry wale moments. Never mind. So I would like, Kavita ji is saying, I would like to thank Sakshi again for being super light and down to earth. She's a gem of a person. Thank you so much. Uh, Anything for finances, financial growth? Yes, there are again many. Monica ji, this was for you, Monica ji. We have financial growth के लिए many. Most of you, हमें generally ये पता होता है कि rose quartz is for emotional stress, but many few people know कि rose quartz is actually good for prosperity also, finance terms में. So yes, you can material gains के लिए rose quartz is very good. ठीक है. उसके अलावा we have golden pyrite. It is said to be as a fool's gold for those people who are looking for financial growth. You can go for golden pyrite. उसके अलावा we have black tourmaline also. Black tourmaline के अंदर प्रॉपर्टी ये है कि not only it protects you from negative energies, या जो हम नज़र जनरली कहते हैं, नज़र के लिए भी इट इज़ वेरी गुड ब्लैक टर्मरिन. उसके साथ साथ में इट गिव्स फाइनेंशियल बूस्ट ऑल्सो, सो यू कैन गो फॉर दैट. देन अगेन वी हैव फाइनेंशियल बूस्टर्स के लिए, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट ग्रीन एवेंचुरीन, इट इज़ वेरी गुड, यू कैन ट्राई दैट. Business growth and financial growth and abundance के लिए again I would just say these 3-4 crystals का combinations are very good. I in fact have a combination also which is very good in terms of financial growth. I had just shown it. I'll just get it again. So this one combination is good for financial growth. It has a cloudy quartz, it has a hematite, and it has a turquoise. So this combination का bracelet is also very boosts financial growth. उसके अलावा we have one more crystal. Hematite is definitely for that, for finances. So you can try that. Shalini ji, crystals के लिए you can connect with me also. Monica ji, I'll text you personally my contact information. You can see my page also, but let me take all that afterwards. So questions again, I'll come back to questions. For okay, I love this question. Pooja Juneja is asking for development of studies. Yes. Okay, so मैंने उसके लिए स्पेशली एक क्रिस्टल निकाल के भी रखा हुआ है. We have citrine also, which is very good for focus. We have calcite. This is good for housewives also, and this is good for kids also. This helps in developing concentration power. It helps us focus, and it brings us clarity also. So this is one bracelet which I recommend for students especially, and for housewives also. Why I am mentioning housewives again and again, because हम लोग जब घर पर होते हैं, हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा इंडल्ज हो जाते हैं लोगों के उसके अंदर, प्रॉब्लम्स के अंदर, हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स के अंदर, बच्चों को संभालना होता है. वी जनरली टेंड टू लूज फोकस. So this one crystal, this calcite crystal, helps us to regain that focus. So this is one good crystal for that. Okay, Pooja, I hope you have got your question cleared. I have answered your. What is the? Okay, so Neva is asking, what is the best place to pick up these crystals? There are so many online websites. How one can decide which is authentic ones? Yes. So Niva, there are many sources. I agree on that. Yes, personally, I would suggest कि online Amazon पे there are many, but there are few who offer authentic also. ठीक है. You can connect with me. I am associated with dealers who are direct importers. I don't have channel in line people. So वो वाला चीज़ authenticity वाला I try कि वो मेरे level पे ही eradicate हो जाए. ऑनलाइन के अंदर द बेस्ट वे सी until and unless you don't purchase from one vendor you won't know. So what is the best technique that I use personally before जब मुझे किसी को ऑनलाइन सजेस्ट भी करना होता है, I do check the authenticity for how long they have been serving people. Not only that, I do try to order once. अब आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, you order. The best tarika of judging whether the crystal is authentic or not, which I personally experienced once. So I use this lapis lazuli. I generally have a blocked throat chakra. So जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम लैपिस lazuli एक्सपीरियंस किया था, आई होल्ड took that stone in my hand, I closed my eyes and I asked that stone to work for me, to balance me. So I prayed, gave that intent to that stone, and immediately after few seconds I could feel my throat getting warm and my shoulders were getting, thoda sa heaviness I could feel. So I immediately thought, my trainer told me that if you can feel that your throat chakra needs to be worked, and that stone is helping you in that. So that was a one original crystal that I was holding in my hand. So this is the only best way you can judge. There are many people who will commit ki yes, we are offering for good quality wala stuff and all that, but until and unless you don't purchase from them, you don't hold them in your hand, and you don't meditate them, till that time you won't be able to actually judge it. So the best way I suggest is to have hold them and meditate on them and give them intent and feel the result, feel the stone, feel the energy. Okay, that is the best way to actually identify which is the original stone for you. Yes, I do have. Kavita ji, thank you. Okay, Shalini ji, cost can be discussed after the session, please. Guys, I am running one offer today. Those who are commenting on the comment section in this live session, for you all, you can connect with me and have one-to-one session, a personalized session, which will be for half an hour, and I'm offering that at 50% off, which is you will be getting that session for 500 rupees. So we can get a one-on-one discussion in which we can discuss about your problem. I'll be suggesting you a solution in terms of crystals, and if you want, I'll be suggesting you the price also. So that will be a complete session, half an hour ka rahega. You can discuss any problem. No question barred, quick one question, two question. No, you can ask any questions you want in that half an hour session. Okay. Kavita ji is asking, how do we charge the crystal? So there are many techniques of charging the crystal. I'll explain you one thing, जो मैं intent वाला आपको बता रही हूँ बार बार, कि आप पकड़िए उसको हाथ में रखिए and just speak to it. That is one effective way of basically charging the crystal, and it is one of the easiest way also. It is your friend. Hold it in your hand, close your eyes and speak to it and ask it to work for you. So this is one of the best way. So questions, please. Questions. All right. So as I think I have cleared all the questions अभी तक के. Authentic crystals, yes, मैंने आपको बताया है, Kethi Jain, that we have, even I am stocking it. You can connect with me. Or if you think online portal में आपको कोई मिलता है authentic person, you can just purchase one crystal from them, just as a sample. Connect with them, and if you find कि yes, it is working for you, आपको immediate पता चल जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होता कि crystals आप नहीं identify कर पाओगे या नहीं जज कर पाओगे. You can actually feel and experience it within few minutes. So yes, but you need to be in a meditative phase, you need to connect it properly, so you can actually judge which crystal is suitable also. Which crystal you should go for, generally हम लोग पूछते हैं या समझते हैं. In that context I would like to add कि we don't choose crystals consciously. Yes, हमारे को अगर उसकी properties पता है, we do make a choice, but it is said that crystals choose us. How? So how you can do that? क्रिस्टल्स के अंदर अपने आप एनर्जीज होती है एंड वी गेट अट्रैक्टेड. जो चीज़ के अंदर हमें कमी फील होती है, जनरली वी गेट अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स दैट क्रिस्टल स्पेसिफिकली. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स कलर, इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स शेड, इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स फॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो. क्रिस्टल्स आर अवेलेबल इन मैनी फॉर्म्स. लाइक मैं आपको एक एमेथिस्ट का ही फॉर्म बता देती हूँ. आई हैव दिस इन केव फॉर्म. I got attracted to this piece and it's not imported wala. I went to a place, an ocean side पे वहाँ पे stall लगे हुए थे. I got there, I just chose this crystal and it was an amethyst one and I just got attracted towards it. So that is how I chose this wala form. Then we have raw forms also amethyst के अंदर. These are stone pebble के form के अंदर. And again I get very excited when I have to choose a crystal because you will see I am connected to spiritualism and I am connected to this field and मेरे maximum crystals that I choose for myself, मुझे चाहे उनकी properties पता हो या ना पता हो. For example, I'll talk about this. This is a serpentine. Serpentine is also said to be one crystal which connects you to higher self. So when I was scrolling through the website or when I was scrolling through the images, I got immediately connected to this. So मेरे पास ऐसे काफ़ी सारे crystals हो गए हैं जो मैंने ऐसे ही randomly pick किए हैं. And when I started reading about them, they were either connected to one of my problems that I faced, like throat chakra का healing, or another for my spiritual connect. So this was how actually stones get connected to you, and once you are into this you can actually feel it calling towards you. So yes, so इसके अलावा one personal suggestion जो generally हम लोग face करते हैं आज के टाइम पे, नज़र बहुत लगती है. So this is one general crystal that I am going to describe, and उसके बाद we'll wrap up the session on this note. ठीक है. One crystal, just give me a second, I'll get that in front of you. नजर बहुत लगती है. यस, ब्लैक टर्मलिन एक गुड स्टोन है विच इज़ फॉर नज़रिया ऑल्सो, मतलब आपको उससे तो प्रोटेक्ट करता है. इसके अलावा आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट स्टोन ओवर हेयर, बट आई विल मेंशन इट इन द कमेंट्स डेफिनेटली. बट दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव स्टोन्स which can actually help you in protecting yourself from the evil eye. ठीक है. उसके अलावा then one more thing I'll add. Yes, immunity. We have this immunity booster. Immunity boosting के लिए there are many stones which act as health के लिए, हमारी boosting के लिए. So उसके लिए we have a combination जिसमें कि you can use blood moonstone. Blood moonstone is one stone which helps us in controlling blood related issues. So any sort of infection. But guys, yes, I would still suggest you to connect before choosing ऐसे वाला health related specifically crystals, because there are many things that we need to take care under your health. So health should not be messed up. But yes, immunity booster is one crystal bracelet which suits everybody. It is a combination made up of multifluoride stone, green aventurine, bloodstone, and hematite. So yes, so this was one crystal which I personally would love to guide people for immunity. Finances, Monica, I have given session के अंदर. Okay, Shalini is asking, my daughter has concentration problem, any crystal for that? Shalini, मैंने ये वाला crystal show किया था, calcilite. Calcilite is one good crystal for everybody who is facing focus and concentration related issues. So you can go for that. Calcilite is easily available. You can try that. So guys, on this note, I would like to remind you again. We are running an offer wherein I'm giving my consultation, one-on-one consultation for half an hour. We can have discussion over your problem statement, and we can connect. And for half an hour, I'll be charging 500, which is half 50% off basically on my general consultations. So this offer is only for Mrs. Diva group members, and you can connect me over WhatsApp. My number is 9711095459. We can then decide upon the time slot, and we can discuss your issues. I would be glad to help you all with your problems and proper solution in terms of crystals for you. So on this note, I would like to thank again Astha Jain. She's been very kind to me for allowing me this session. And I would also like to thank each and every participant who has been online with us. I hope this session actually helps you to, get okay with the crystals, how you can utilize them. I have also explained how you can purchase them, from where you can purchase them, and which crystal actually you can select as per your, intuition. Use your intuition while selecting your crystals also. So on this note, thank you guys. I'm taking off, signing off for today. Thank you.